Hello, guys. Welcome to CheckIn. Today we are going to unbox the boAt Rockerz 450. It's not completely foldable, just you can fold cuffs. Here we can find aux cable and charging cable. Long press to power on. Lights indicate mode of headphones. This is an amazing product ever. If you are looking to buy best Bluetooth headphones, I personally recommend you to buy the boAt Rockerz 450. This is warranty card and instruction manual. It has nice build quality. Thank you for watching. I will review this later with power backup and other things.
Please subscribe this channel for latest updates and press the bell icon for instant notification.